Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys how to use Messenger in Android. First step you do, go to Play Store, type Messenger. You're gonna choose this. It is a real Messenger and open it and you see your friend Facebook in here. You can you can chat with him in for only to this app Messenger. Okay, only this my friend. Okay, and bye.